In this quick guide, you'll learn how to secure your RBC Royal Bank account effectively. Ensuring the safety of your financial information is crucial, and RBC offers several tools to help you enhance your account security. First, you'll want to sign in to your RBC online banking account. You can do this by visiting the website on your computer or by opening the RBC mobile app on your phone. Both options provide a secure platform to manage your banking needs. Once you're signed in, consider enabling two-step verification. This feature serves as an additional layer of security by requiring a second form of identification when logging in. It's a simple yet powerful way to protect your account from unauthorized access. Next, set up sign-in protection or personal verification questions. These are designed to safeguard your personal information, making it more difficult for intruders to gain access to your account. Choose questions and answers that are unique and not easily guessable to maximize your security. Remember, it's important never to share your password, PALAYN, or any verification codes with anyone. Keep these details confidential to maintain the integrity of your account. When creating a password, aim for one that is strong and complex. Avoid using the same password across multiple sites, as this can increase your vulnerability. Consider incorporating a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to enhance password strength. In the event that your debit or credit card is misplaced, the RBC mobile app offers a convenient feature to lock your card instantly. This quick action can prevent unauthorized transactions and give you peace of mind until your card is found or replaced. It's also essential to regularly monitor your account activity. Make a habit of reviewing your transactions for any unusual or unauthorized actions. This vigilance can help you catch any discrepancies early and address them promptly. Lastly, ensure that your phone, email, and other contact information are always up to date. This way, RBC can reach you immediately if they detect any suspicious activity on your account. And that's how to secure your RBC Royal Bank account. By following these steps, you'll be better equipped to protect your financial information and enjoy greater peace of mind. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this guide helpful.